Hi, welcome back to Grains in Small Places, and today I'm just going to go over the garden because I had showed you the beginning of it and showed you the progress of it, and so it's been a while, but here it is. Let me go ahead and switch the camera around. So here you can see we lost a lot of the first row of green beans that we planted, and once we realized what was wrong, we went ahead and added in some organic seaweed and some organic fish fertilizer, and it seems to be doing really good. These are doing much better than the ones before. So we did lose that one row, but we've still got these going. They're still a little delayed in growth. All of the marigolds look great. This is funny because Haley planted one little kernel of the blue popcorn that we got from Azure Standard, and it's doing so good. And then our basil came back from the cold and the rain and all that. It's been doing really nicely. We've been able to harvest some of this off of there. And then let's see, the cilantro I've been able to harvest a little bit. That one didn't do so well, but this one I've been able to harvest a couple times. And the broccolini, we've actually been able to, this one's going to flower, I see today. We've been able to cut off and harvest some of this broccolini. This one needs harvested, but that probably is going to go to seed. And then this one hasn't really done so well. And Haley has been finding the little dead marigold heads and sprinkling them throughout the garden. So we've got little bits of those growing. And the cabbage, I'm not sure here. This one has a little bit in there. But this one is doing really nicely. I think we might actually get a head of cabbage out of those. I'm not sure about these two, but it's all an experiment. We're learning, and the raspberries are doing good. They started to get something funky going on with this, like, let me see if these have it, like an orange, I guess, fungus on the bottom side of the leaves. So we picked off all of the leaves, and then once we did the fish fertilizer and the algae, it started coming back and healing itself pretty much from that. And all of this is new growth. All that's new growth. This one's doing great. So those are good, and that's exciting. So again, the whole thing was just kind of an experiment, fun. We wanted to learn some things. I learned a lot, and I'm excited to go ahead and move on to the next venture in the future. If we are able to do this again next year, or if we can do like a tower garden or something like that, sounds exciting. We can have our own herbs and teas or things like that, just the vegetables that we're buying all the time from the grocery store. So it'll be nice to be able to grow our own. So that's kind of exciting. So I hope that you enjoyed this little mini series of the garden and watching what did good, what didn't do good. We did learn some things, so I'm grateful for that. If you missed my other videos where we started the garden and then the garden progress, I'll try to link those videos down in the description box below. So thanks for stopping by Grains in Small Places. Goodbye.